Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to make new friends on Facebook dating. Maybe you use Facebook dating just to make a new friends. So today I am going to show you on how you can make new friends in your Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then once you open it, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then from here, you will see this heart icon at the upper middle part of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, scroll down and you'll see in here make new friends. Under more to explore, tap on this make new friends. And as you can see in here, you have a smile to match as friend. If you want this person to be your friend, simply tap on this smile button. And if you don't want this person to be your friend, tap on this X button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can make new friends on Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can make new friends on your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.